Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and my guest bedroom recently became way more comfortable thanks to this SEMIELO mattress. This mattress comes delivered really compactly, so there is no issues getting it through your doors. It was super fast and easy to set up, it expanded really quickly, and it reaches its true density within a few days. This mattress has amazing quality. I have personally been really impressed by how supportive and comfortable it is. The previous queen size mattress that we had in this room was your traditional uncompressed kind that you needed either a van or a truck to deliver. This SEMIELO compressed mattress is just as comfortable as that one, if not more so. I find that it has that perfect amount of spring back to it. I do not sink down into it too much. The soft and cushioned surface makes it just right for snuggling down for a great night's sleep. Even though there was a warning with the mattress about a possible chemical smell coming from it, I did not notice anything like that. I think that the thickness of this mattress is just perfect for us because actually our previous mattress was a little bit too thick for our Murphy bed. This one is excellent, and my queen size fitted sheets fit on it like a glove. I just know that my next guests are going to love sleeping on my SEMIELO mattress, and they will feel totally rested in the morning. But that's just my point of view.